Hey friends, welcome to Raza Edu World. So today we are going to learn about top 6 national parks in the world. So before starting the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. So friends, let's begin with our video. Number 1, Kruger National Park. The Kruger National Park is located in South Africa. It is one of the best national parks in the world. The rate per person per night for a Kruger self-drive safari is $102, which is rupees 7,708 Indian rupees. This park covers an area of 19,485 km square. The administrative headquarters are in Skukuza. These areas was protected by the government of South African Republic in 1898 and it became South Africa's first national park in 1926. This national park was established in 31st May 1926. This park has total 9 main gate entrances. If you are planning to visit national park, then this will be a very good option. So let's move on to second national park, which is Torres del Paine National Park. This national park is located in Magalhães region, Chile. The fees of this national park varies. The estimated money is $32, which is 2,417 Indian rupees. This park covers an area of 4,48,280 acres. It is one of the largest and most visited park in Chile. The park averages around 2,52,000 visitors a year, of which 54% are foreign tourists who come from many countries all over the world. They extend up to 2,500 meters above sea level. The zone is characterized by cool summers with temperatures lower than 16 degrees Celsius during the warmest month, January. Winter is relatively cold with an average high temperature in July of 5 degrees Celsius and an average of low of -3 degrees Celsius. Number 3, Plitvice Lakes National Park. This national park is located in Croatia. The rate for one day in the month of January, February, March, November and December is $11.85, which is around 891 rupees, and in the month of June, July, August, September is 44.5 US dollars, which is around 3,362 Indian rupees, and in the month of May and October is $26.5, which is 2002 Indian rupees. It is one of the oldest and largest national parks in Croatia. In 2015, about 13,67,304 visitors visited this park. The national park was founded in 1949 and is in the mountainous crust area of central Croatia. Each year, more than 1 million visitors are recorded. Number 4, Iguazu National Park. Iguazu National Park is located in Argentina. The rate for this national park is completely different. If you are planning to visit Iguazu National Park, then the correct prices can only be given by them. It has an area of 677 km square. This national park was established in 1934. The park was created in 1934 to protect one of the greatest natural beauties of Argentina, which is really a very good thing. Number 5, Los Glaciares National Park is also located in Argentina. The park covers an area of 7,269.27 km square, making it the largest national park in the country. It was established on May 11, 1937. In 1981, it was declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. The park has a cool and moist temperature climate. Mean temperature range from 0.6 degrees Celsius in winter to 13.4 degrees Celsius in summer, although at high altitudes. The mean annual temperature can be around -3 degrees Celsius. Snowfall is common during the cold months. Number 6, Vatnajökull National Park. The Vatnajökull National Park is one of the three national parks in Iceland. It encompasses all of Vatnajökull Glacier and extensive surrounding areas. The unique qualities of Vatnajökull National Park are primarily its great variety of landscape features created by the combined forces of rivers, glacial ice, and volcanic and geothermal activity. On 5th July 2019, Vatnajökull National Park was inscribed as a World Heritage Site. The weather can vary considerably in an area as extensive as that covered by the national park with its wide range of elevations. Precipitation in low-lying areas south of the Vatnajökull ice cap is considerable. Temperatures range between 10 degrees Celsius and 20 degrees Celsius in summer. So friends, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. So friends, let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.